Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel and I'm back with another video. I know you saw the title, so you already know what's up. So yes, y'all, I did a thing, and I'm super excited, okay? I love this for me. So yes, y'all, I went to Pandora for the very first time. Yeah, I know. I'm a little late to the game, but that's neither here nor there. I'm getting into my femininity bag, my soft girl era, my glow up journey, my entire self-love journey. So now I got this idea on TikTok. I wanted to get myself a promise ring. I saw this girl's video and I was like, you know what? That resonated with me, and that was something that I had the intention to do. So I ordered online. I really wanted to make this an experience to actually film for y'all, but I don't know why I decided to go on the weekend before Christmas. It was super busy. The line was long, like I had to wait in line to even get into the store. It was just, anyway, we got it, okay? Now, this is something for me. This is a gift for me. So I got myself a promise ring, and this is just gonna be important and significant to me. Now, this is just not just me buying a ring. Like, I got this ring with the intentions on making it memorable and making it important to me. This promise ring will signify everything for me going into 2025, starting today. My promise ring is just going to be a physical reminder of the promise that I'm making to myself. The promises I'm going to keep to myself. It's going to signify me being strong, me being powerful, me reminding myself that I can do anything that I want to do. So me getting a ring, I was like, you know what, this is perfect. I'm in my little femininity bag. I want to be more girly. So accessorizing is a way to do that. So I felt like the promise ring was perfect. What I'm going to do, I'm going to actually write a letter to myself. It's all the promises I plan to keep for the new year, my new year resolutions, my goals, things like that. So this ring will just signify that. Now, don't get it twisted. I did not want my promise ring to look like an engagement ring. I did not want that. I didn't want anybody to be confused, okay? But I did want a cute, dainty, girly, feminine ring, you know, something, just a physical reminder to me to always stick to my goals, to always walk in my purpose, to not accept nothing less than what I deserve, to just remember the promises that I made, remember the goals that I'm trying to set, and just remember where I'm trying to go in my life for 2025. So it's enough rambling, y'all. Let me show y'all what I got, okay? I got the goodie bags right here, so let's go ahead and get right into it. So I'm going to show y'all these two items first. Y'all, so these are the items that I picked up. This is my mother and daughter charm. I don't know if you can actually see it, but it's like a light pink. It's super cute though. And on the back, it also has some writing as well. So we got that. I'm going to put that on my charm bracelet. That's my first charm. Now, I did pick up another ring while I was in Pandora. This one is just a thin band, and it has like the jewels across the front. So it just looks like this. Super cute. Cute and dainty. I'm going to put that on my index finger. This one is my actual promise ring. Y'all, ain't this cute? Tell me this is not cute. Tell me this is not cute and girly and dainty and it's just giving. It's given to me. So I love this ring. Now, again, I did not want anything that looked like an engagement ring, so that's not what we were going for. But these are my rings, y'all. I think they're so cute. I don't know if I want to wear it on this finger or the right finger, but I don't want no confusion, okay? But yes, I think they're so cute. And these are the bracelets that I have. So this one is just the charm bracelet with the heart clasp. So I'm going to put my charm on there after this video. And then this is the other bracelet I received. Now this was actually a free gift because for the amount that I spent. I do love this as well. I don't know if I'm going to keep this or give it to my sister, but this is so cute as well, y'all. Tell me what you think. Now, as I mentioned, this is my first Pandora jewelry experience, my first purchase from them. I'm definitely going to be going back. Now that I've purchased a charm bracelet, I already see other charms that I want, and I want them to be significant for me as well. So my first one is just the mother-daughter duo. I'm going to get the mother, of course, and Naya's going to get the daughter charm. And then I already see one I'm going to go back and get. It's so cute, y'all. It has like a little barbell with a heart. So when I reach my first fitness goal, I'm going to go back and get that and add it to my bracelet. Don't play with me. There's some travel charms I want to get. It's giving. I loved it. Also, it's giving yourself a promise ring as a reminder for all of the goals, intentions, and just things that you want to experience for the new year. Is something that you're into? Let me know. I want to know if more girlies are into that. Like I said, I got this idea from TikTok and I loved it. But y'all, I love my purchases. I cannot wait to wear them. And just that daily reminder just to keep me on track. Keep me just, just being my best self. Okay, that's what it's all about. Being your best self. So that's my intention for the new year. Everything that encompasses, being my best self. So thank y'all so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. Stay tuned for what we have in store for the new year. Let me know some of your goals down below in the comment section. Also, if you have not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell so that you do not miss another upload. Thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.